Hello, hello, hello again, y'all. So, yes, I have done some shelter in place shopping. So, I just picked up a couple things that I've actually had on reserve with Fashion File. So, this is going to be a quick springtime unboxing. And there should be 2 items in here. So I went ahead and all I've done so far is, open up the box. Haven't at all looked at it. So, this should have my receipt in it. And this is a standard thank you that you get from them with a little heart on the back. And goodness here. Alrighty. I'm so excited. Okay, so we just take them out. Yes, one's a jewelry piece and one is a bag. Oh, I'm so excited for this bag. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so substantial. I didn't think it would feel that heavy. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this out and put it on the side here. Put this on the ground. Move this a little closer so I can sit my butt down on this couch. Okay, so I'm going to open my bag first. Oh my God, please let it be as beautiful as it was online. Okay. This is another Fashion File purchase I got like a couple months, 3 or 4 months ago. I'm not sure. So, yeah. Fashion File and I are besties now. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Oh, okay. Oh, I forgot how they do this. Okay. Oh my goodness gracious. It's going to come apart easily. Okay. This, and then this just put that over there. This part. I don't know why. Okay, it's starting to come open. Okay. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh, this is a bag that I've considered for a number of years, and then I decided that I really wanted it, and I didn't think I'd be able to get it because it's really outside of a price range that I feel comfortable purchasing without regret. Let me put it that way. And when I saw this come on, and it's also not one of this particular brand, it's not one of the more popular ones, I don't believe. So anyways, okay, this is taking too long. Oh, it's taking too long. I'm going to open this. Let's try to do it with one hand. Okay, here we go. I'm going to look at it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this bag is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh no. I should have known. This damage did not show up on Fashion File. Gosh darn it. I did see this. Do you see how there's some discoloration there and there? But this was nowhere near it. There is no way. Oh no. Oh my gosh, and the bag is just beautiful. Oh my gosh, I loved it until I saw that. Oh no. Oh no. And the thing is, it's a beautiful bag. Oh. I don't try to beat it up. Oh my gosh. It's a beautiful bag. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. What in the world? I mean, this is noticeable. There's no way I missed this on the Fashion File website. I'm going to take a picture of this before I get mad. I'm not really mad, but this just wasn't there. This was there, and I was fine with that. But this was not on any pictures that I saw at all, period. So, yeah, I am not happy about that. Oh, yeah, this is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Gosh, well, at least I've gotten to see. Oh, I'm sorry. This is the Delvaux Tempete, I believe is how you pronounce it, in the MM size. So, oh, This is just a gorgeous bag. And this is the inside. And it said it came with it. Yeah, it came with the little, this, you call it like the bag charm. And then it comes with the mirror. Oh no, I saw it at the bottom. Comes with, oops. Comes with the mirror. Delvaux. See? Yeah, my niece put stickers on the back of my phone. Oh my goodness. It's a gorgeous bag though. Gosh, it's gorgeous. Let's see here. And this should come off. Not off, but you know, to a certain extent it should hang. It's supposed to at least. That's what I saw. So I first saw this bag on what was it? Bipolar Max, that her channel. And that was like what, 3 or 4 years ago. And before that, I had never even heard of this brand. Really, Delvaux, never heard of it at all. And then I saw this bag, this Tempete, but hers is black and in, I think, calf leather, and this is patent leather. Now this is bothering me too. This won't come off. And this wasn't a clearance item because, you know, sometimes if you get a really good deal on something, you can't be too mad about it. But you know what? The information should be accurate. This is a huge discoloration. Yeah. This isn't. Let me see if there's any others. And that was. Oh, there's more. What the heck? Yeah. So what was shown online was this kind of, this stuff. How the edges are a bit discolored. None of this down here. None of this down here. I'm not a happy camper. So I will need to call Fashion File because this right here, that's not, to me that's deceptive advertising. This isn't as though that, oh, I saw this, but it's just more prominent than I thought. These pictures, the pictures online did not show any of this. So I don't know if this damage happened after, but yeah, they're gonna have to do something about that bad boy. So anyways, this, you know, it usually is supposed to hang like that, and that's why I wanted to keep it, because it'll allow you to open the purse more. But the silhouette, I absolutely love. Oh, okay, anyways, enough of that. A little bitter about that. Dang. Anyhow, it's a gorgeous bag. And this is my other item. Let's see if this bad boy is gonna fit. It's from Bulgari. And let's see if this will open up. Oh, let me see. I don't have time to mess around with stuff. Let's see here. Oh, I thought this is the box. Oh, this is a box. And then the actual case is inside. Okay. All right then. I like that. Now let's see what's here next. Oh, it is gorgeous. Before I say I love it. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, hold on a minute. Let me make sure it fits. Oh, and it fits! Ah, I love it. Oh my goodness. Don't look at these ashy hands, y'all. Oh my goodness. Because you know we're washing hands all the time and I'm not always good about putting on lotion. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love this ring. And, oh, I'm sorry. It's the, oh, let me just read it from the box here because that'll tell me. 18 karat rose gold with black ceramic. So it's the B.Zero1. Let's see. B.Zero1 design. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love it. Ah! And I got it as, this is my dominant hand. So my hand's bigger on this side. So I have to get a larger size. But oh my gosh, I love the ring. Let me go ahead and take it off so y'all can see it again. Oh, wait a minute now. This don't want to come off. Well, I'm about to be hot. Does this not come off my finger? Hold on a minute, y'all. Yeah, your girl is swollen up a bit since this morning when I put on my rings. Because this is my new ring. This is a new one, and I put it on. And it seemed to go on smoothly, but taking it off, whoo! Didn't think it was going to happen there for a second. And this is the ring. This is the ring I already own. This isn't new. I use it. I wear it. And it was fine this morning, but now I tried to take it off now. It almost didn't come off. See, I'm not sure he's having some swelling. But anyways, I am very, very happy with this purchase. Very, very happy with this. Oh, I love this ring. I might be on a jewelry kick now, y'all. But this purse, yeah, I'll have to let y'all know how this goes because this right here, no. That's not cool. All right, until next time, talk to y'all later.